Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to present about industry training at PPF UTeM. My name is Muhammad Mizamillah bin Saifuddin. I am from FKA, Faculty Electrical Engineering. Okay. Training period is from 19 July 2021 until 24 September 2021. My company name is Pejabat Pengurusan Fasiliti PPF UTeM. Okay. Next, the objective of LI, the industry program training program is to expose students at University Technical Malaysia Melaka UTeM to a dynamic work environment. Furthermore, it assists students in related concept information gained in the class to implementation in actual job setting. Following that, industry training program assists students in developing their soft skills practically and work ethic. Last but not least, the industry program can increase student capability to share the idea. For the next slide, company background. The facility manager office has been active involved in maintaining the infrastructure and physical facilities since the establishment of UTeM in 2000. The development and physical operation of the campus start at the temporary campus at Taman Tasik Utama until the operation of UTeM into campus at present. PPF by 5 departments. First is Power and Perabot. Second is Mechanical and Electrical. Next is Landscape. Other that, Upacara dan Penjanaan. Dan FPI and Campus Technology. I in Mechanical and Electrical department. For the company mission and vision, for the mission to be pure in the management and operation of infrastructure in line with the vision and vision of university. For the vision, implement comprehensive infrastructure manager of operation based on the latest experience and skill in line with the university aspiration. For the objective company, to have six objective company. First, to plan and implement conducive and prospective physical development. Next, manage and coordinate the maintenance of assets and infrastructure efficiently and efficiently. Next, provide the best asset facility service and customer friendly. Next, implement university ceremony with the progress of technician and logistic equipment efficiently and efficiently. Next, prove quality device and concept survey in various technique field. Last but not least, ensure competent staff and continue professional development. This is a charter organization of the PPF. For the director is Encik Ainuddin. I in bahagian mechanical and electric. My supervisor is Encik Lokman. Okay, next for the training activity, perform preventive maintenance on electric equipment. For example, switchboard, office light and the street light. In addition, one of the training activities that I perform is troubleshoot any damage on electric equipment or instrument. Follow that, I monitor the work of panel contactor. Last but not least, I perform a task of like file completing and photocopy paper. This is the picture, the activity I do during intern. First, change the function frost light to LED light at the Pusat Pengajian Sales Bazaar PPS UTeM. We need to uh, we we need to delete uh, the capacitor and the choke because LED light not use the choke and capacitor anymore. It's a direct wired from the source supply. Next, we change the fluorescent light to LED light at collector diamond study with them. Next, troubleshoot the function and socket circuit at the perpustakaan UTeM. We need to close the power supply from the DB, and we need to close one by one the plug and on by one to troubleshoot which plug is short. Next, we do the preventive maintenance at the distribution board at Fakulti Teknologi Maklumat and Komunikasi FTMK UTeM. This is a form that we need to fill up after we do the preventive maintenance. This is I use a blower to clean up the electric room. In electric room it has a DB, and this is a schematic diagram for the DB. Next, I perform wiring for the installation of new wall fan and socket for the use of pusat curriculum router. Next, preventive maintenance at the recent board DB at pusat pokok. In the DB has a red that died. We need to remove the red because the DB not function is the red inside. Next, do a visit with the contact in charge of genset maintenance at pasukan UTeM. The contractors come every in just the time to check the genset is in good or not. The genset is important because it can be supplied not cannot supply the power. The genset can supply the power for the 1 day. For the conclusion, industry training program in PPF UTeM had give opportunity to train the prepare themselves as future electrical technician. PPF UTeM is one of the best company for the trainer to have an expert on electrical maintenance. 10 weeks is more suitable period for the industry training because it has enough time to maximize the learning process. PPF UTeM has a lot employees who will to help the industry program being success. Thank you. That's all for my presentation. Assalamualaikum.